Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode. I know it's been a while. Don't worry about it. I'm back. This video is a little bit different. I'm going to give you guys a little overview on a new toy that I got. This sucker right here. Oh, whoopsies. So this is a Palmetto State AR9. For those of you, no magazine. It is clear. So yeah, just gonna give you a little bit overview on my feelings. I know there's a ton of reviews, unboxings on this online, so I'm not gonna get into any of that crap. This is mostly on how I like it so far. I haven't shot it yet. It's been way too cold. I haven't got to a range yet, so it's mostly a perspective on me being a left-handed shooter, how I feel about this weapon, and why I went with the one that I went with. So, like I said, Palmetto State Gen 4 AR9. I got these flip-up sights on here. Red dots go sight right there as well. I usually run it with the front up, back down. This is the way that I am, with the red dot right here. Since it is an AR pistol, completely compliant. It is not a rifle. I have an 8-inch barrel right here. This is not a suppressor, silencer, whatever you want to call it. It is actually a compensator. It's just a compensator, also a shroud. I did not like the look of the A2 birdcage, so I kind of just went away with that and got rid of the A2 birdcage and added this compensator. I don't remember where it is. If anyone has questions on it, hit me up. I'll put it on the comments. But yes, it is a compensator, not a suppressor. What I got down here is a hand stop. Obviously, you can't put vertical grips on a pistol, so it's a hand stop, you know. So I'm left-handed, so I got it a little bit. It fit a little bit weird. It's kind of hard to tell. But I could not get the longer part in the back because of the way that they have this M-lock floating handrail right here. I had to put the shorter end on this side, but it actually worked out a lot better than I thought because you can actually get a really good grip on it like this. I really enjoyed that. So one big thing why I made this video was, one of the biggest concerns I had when I was ordering this is what if this shroud or anything like this was going to fit in the barrel if you have a hand stop. So it's really hard to see in there, but the M-lock connection is actually quite a ways away from the barrel. So it is right here where the M-lock connects. And this shroud, I couldn't decide whether I wanted this one or the longer one because I didn't know if it would fit all the way in there, but I guess the shorter one worked just well. It only goes in about maybe a 1/4 inch in there. It's phenomenal, and it looks really, really good. So yeah, on this other side, I got a flashlight. Nothing crazy. Everything is budget on here. This is like my PDW, you know, go-to kind of truck weapon, whatever you want to call it. So I do have this flashlight on here. So that worked really well. So everything was pretty budget. Like I said, this is also pretty budget. Ordered this on Amazon. It's a 2-point sling, cutie mounts that actually converts over to a single point if you really wanted to. I'm not gonna do that right now. But yeah, just want to make a quick little short video on that and just kind of show you guys. I will do an update as soon as I go shooting it. I still gotta get this bad boy zeroed in, and probably gotta align the iron sights, because those are probably a little bit off. I used some bore sight lasers, but I don't always trust those things. I usually get it pretty close and then go to the range and go about 25 yards to 10 yards to kind of get it a little bit closer. And then for my rifles, I do go out to 100 yards. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you hit them in the comment section. Make sure you follow all my links and subscribe. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for coming.